In the previous episode, we got most of the framing done and the roof on. Now it's all about insulation and windows. Well, I'm inside the house at Rover's Rest, and we're putting the windows on today because it's a bit breezy outside. I'm going to show you exactly how that goes. I'm here with Lindsay Lowen. So Lindsay's another apprentice carpenter, and she's volunteering here for a little while. Lindsay, what are you up to?
So I'm installing the sloped cedar sills right here. This will ensure that the water drains out, not inside the house, doesn't get trapped in the window cavity. And then I'm putting an Nova seal on for an extra layer of protection.
Okay, and this is just the first sort of layer of protection. The windows are going to get more on the outside and foam on the inside. So they should last a long time. Hey, Mrs. Rover. What are you doing?
I'm holding this wire in place until whatever goop is in there hardens.
Oh. And that looks like a good job. Thank you.
You're welcome.
We've got the full team out today. Mrs. Rover is taping away. We've got our spaceship technician over here just checking that we're solid. Just cutting some board to make sure it all fits. Okay, tighten it, please. Other direction. Good, stop. Let it off a little bit. Perfect. So we're just going to do a little check-in here on where we are on the build. And I think you'll be pretty surprised with how much we've gotten done in a very short period of time. So normally 6mm poly is used as a vapor barrier, but in this case we're using non-perforated silver board to give us added insulation, a thermal break, and it's what really makes this house unique from the standard construction. And over here we have a couple of our great volunteers putting up the vapor barrier on the ceiling. Give us a wave. Hey. Thank you so much for all the help, guys.
Yeah, you're welcome. No problem. Your pleasure.
So this corner is going to that corner. Excellent. Okay, we can go toward Lindsay a little bit. Can we, Lindsay?
It's not moving.
Okay.
Well, maybe on
Are
your
we
end.
are we on the seam?
Pretty tight.
Yeah, it seems good.
Okay.
We're pretty tight at the end, but
Okay, hold it,
get
guys.
over there.
Okay. We're good. We're good. Okay. And we're in. Wow, that is pretty good.
Nice simple.
Okay. All right, the last drawer of 18 drawers that went into the bathroom and kitchen, 6 different sizes. This is the last one I'm assembling. Boom. Hearing protection. Stop the clock. We are done.